In this video, I'm going to show you this super easy and super simple and also super profitable online business model that I've been doing for the past 2 years that generates me $20,000 a month. Hi guys, my name is Jay from the Millionaire Mindset channel. This channel is all about digital marketing, online entrepreneurship, building online businesses, online tutorials and free courses here on YouTube to help you build your successful online business, to advise you and guide you on how to build your own affiliate marketing businesses, proper professional business landing pages, and how to convert traffic into sales. So if you want to get tons of content, free courses, free giveaways, cash giveaways every single day, make sure to subscribe down below to this channel with the bell on, because I really love making content for you guys. I really enjoy making content on YouTube and teaching people what I do in my daily life, because I love to see positive reviews and people making money online that send me these messages on Instagram literally every single day. It really pumps me up, so I really appreciate that. And the number one secret to making money online, firstly, is patience. If you are not able to watch a simple 10-minute video on YouTube with a professional that is already making money online, or with an expert that has already built a successful business online, you can't expect to succeed and build a successful business yourself. It requires patience, a little bit of time and effort. So at the end of this video, I suggest watch each and every step that I'm going to explain to you on how I built the successful side hustle that generates me $20,000 a month. So we're going to get straight into this. I'm pretty sure some of you have heard of this model before, called the drop ship model. But wait, before you click off, this is not actually drop shipping. It's something brand new that I found that destroys drop shipping and is a lot more profitable than drop shipping, and also a lot more scalable. But it's a very similar concept. Instead of shipping products and drop shipping physical products, goods and inventory that takes days, weeks, sometimes even months to deliver, we're basically going to drop ship digital services worldwide that literally takes hours to even maybe a few days to deliver, but your profits are even sometimes up to 1,000%. If you want to learn how exactly I do this, make sure to keep watching. So firstly, I need to explain how this model works, as there's a lot of people out there that are probably new to this, so I want to inform you on how this works. So firstly, you've got your own landing page, your drop servicing store, or your Shopify drop shipping store, whatever it is. In this case, we're going to be talking about our drop servicing store over here, which is our store over here, where we list any kind of service such as ebook design, graphic design, logo design, web development, app development, any service that you can think of. There's over 100 of them that you can actually think of. And you're going to list some kind of service on your website. For example, let's say $500 to design a website. Now what happens is a customer comes to your website, pays you $500 to get this entire web design project and hosting done for you. All you do is you're going to go over to your service provider over here. I'm going to show you a platform called Fiverr and Upworks over here, where you can hire freelancers and experts to do this work for you, and you pay them, for example, $80, and you now just keep over here as the man in the middle $420 profit as the man in the middle. And all you did was transfer the work from your supplier back to your customer. So your supplier or your service provider in this case makes your website, whatever your customers' demands are, you send to your supplier, they do that, you pay them $80, but you've been paid $500 from your customer, and now you just pay your supplier $80 and you left over with $420 in your pocket. You didn't design this website yourself. You didn't have to sit hours on end designing any pages. You literally took 20 minutes to transfer that order, accept the order, and send it back to your customer. And you've made, that was close to, I would say, 700% markup. I want to show you an example of a company doing this. This company over here called carwraps.co.za, or bespoke wraps, are for the individual people that basically wrap cars. They do different designs like this on cars. You can see paint protection film, car detailing, boat wraps, you name it. They've got tons of partners as well. But what they actually do is a lot of their work they actually outsource. But I want you to notice how they've created a very professional looking landing page that sells this service. The number one key to succeeding at this is creating a professional business corporate looking landing page. You don't want to look like some random guy on the internet who's quickly slapped a couple of pages together and a few pictures together with WordPress, and now you've got this little cheap website that promotes your service. it won't sell. You need to create a corporate business professional looking landing page like this. And if I come over to Fiverr, take a look at this. These people will do custom car wraps for your business at $45, $25, and they are getting very good reviews. For example, they will do a professional car wrap or truck or vehicle wrap for just $25, which in my country is about 400 Rand. These people charge 2,000 Rand plus per wrap. That's about $100 plus. So every time they get an order, you can actually see, if I come over to their pricing tab over here, they charge $9,000 for half a wrap, $16,000 for a full wrap. Now, $16,000, if I work it out quickly, 16,000 Rand, let's just go 16,000 ZAR to USD, is plus minus $1,100. Now, if someone on Fiverr charges $45 and they're charging $1,000, take a look at this profit. If I just quickly bring over my calculator here, that's $1,123 minus 45. That's over $1,000 profit that they're keeping in their pockets, and you can just go and drop service the same service off of Fiverr. Why are these people so cheap on Fiverr? It's because these are just random freelancers around the world that are pretty good at their work. They've got no professional business branding. There's no real value behind their company name or service or whatever they're offering to do for you. That's why branding and creating a professional landing page with a proper logo, proper company name is really important to getting as much as markup and profit with this. And the majority of the people that check out with this service on your website either pay via PayPal or Stripe. So I quickly want to show you my results for the last 30 days doing drop servicing with Fiverr and other platforms as well. So on my one PayPal account, I've made over $12,885 this month. And the thing is, I'm in South Africa, so PayPal is like the only real payment gateway accepted here. But if you're in the United States or UK, you can also use something like Stripe. You can also use PayFast or Direct EFT if you're only going to promote in your local area. You can even do cash on delivery if you'd like to as well. So those are different ways you can get paid. What's nice about if you are only going to create a local drop servicing company, you can accept direct bank transfers on your website and get paid in your own currency. So this is just to show you how I get paid and my PayPal account on how much I've earned from drop servicing. I want to show you another fantastic example of drop servicing, which is a landing page that I actually got from one of my favorite mentors online that I use to drop service the service as well of creating books and ebooks online. So just to show you, this is another example of a really well made company branded website that has a really good brand in the creative book, ebook writing, ebook cover, and ebook design niche. So if I scroll down over here, it basically gives a quick description of why choose the creative book company. You can get started over here, some reasons: professional, affordable, and perfection. If I scroll down, they give you each and every step on how this works. If I scroll down some more, they give you their services. So you can check out, for example, with the standard package for $199, it will load up this checkout over here, which hasn't been configured yet, so people will then just pay via PayPal over there. And what happens is, all you need to do is you come over to Fiverr, and whatever service they order from you, ebook writing, remember they've already paid us $199 over here. You can come over to this person over here charging $65 just to write your ebooks. That's your ebook writer and be your ghost ebook writer. So let's take the $199 package you've just sold. You come over to Fiverr, you pay this person $65, you keep $130 in your pocket as markup and profit that you literally haven't done any of the hard work. You don't need to sit and write this book yourself. This person does all of the hard work for you, and you've made over 200% markup in your pocket to keep cash. I'm also very excited to announce something with you guys. I've just recently launched the 6-Figure Drop Servicing University, which is an entire 57 in-depth intensive training program over the next 3 weeks that will teach you exactly how to build your first successful drop servicing store. Included in this course is already a done-for-you drop servicing agency that I've put together for you, mastered for you, gotten results from, and I'm giving this to you or every student that joins this course. Now what I like about this gives you a really great kick boost and start in your drop servicing journey, because you don't need to go through the effort of creating your own landing pages or building your own services or products or anything like that. This store personally generated me $98,000 in 2020 alone. You now get this in this course over here. So I've recently just offered a special mark to Offer J launching the Drop Servicing University. Make sure to come over to the first link in the description. You can enter this code over here called launch1670. You will get a huge discount on this university program over here. It's very valuable, sensitive, and information that personally generates me anywhere between $20,000 and $40,000 a month. This has taken me about 7 months to put together, 2 years to learn this kind of information. So it's basically like an online university or an online degree where you can take an online course. You can watch this course on your mobile phone, your PC, wherever you are in your spare time. There's no homework, no nothing like that. As soon as you take action, there's also a VIP private group where all the students can join the group and chat to me personally. There's over $19,000. If you scroll down on this page over here, over $19,000 worth of bonuses included as well, and tons of students already over here, such as one person, Nathan, who got over 15,000 euros on his first store doing drop servicing. So if you want to get access to all of this, come over to the first link in the description. There's actually a free training there that will explain to you how the drop servicing university works. You can go and check out everything from there. Without further ado, make sure to click on that link in the description down below, and I'll see you over here.